All right, I am getting ready to plant all of these. I just watered all of these beds for 2 hours today with a sprinkler, and I am watering this side of my garden now. And I just planted zucchini over here again to see if it will sprout this time. I should have better luck this time. And I'll leave the sprinkler on for 2 hours as well. So remember, 1 hour of a sprinkler like this equals 1 inch of watering. So now I'm going to plant some of these. So I got 2 inches of watering all in here. And then I am going to be watering all of these guys tonight to plant them over here tomorrow. So right now I'm going to plant some of my marigolds and petunias. And so I dug a little bit of a trench here. I might plop a couple in the middle, but I want this trench to be nice and full of petunia and marigolds for their pest fighting abilities. Now I'm going to go ahead and plant green beans and radishes in these 2 containers. Now when I'm doing green beans, I really do want like a lot of space between them. So even though it says you can like put something like 16 in a square foot, we're not doing that. That's ridiculous amount of crowding. So we're going to make that a lot more spread out. So I'm going to put like 6 in here. And it's okay if I have like 2 planted in each hole. It's going to be fine. I just don't want to be going through like 10 plants, even though they would totally like grow well to like crowded. I don't want them that crowded. These are some really cool green beans. So, ooh, it looks like one already tried to open. We'll just put that one and a 3rd one in that hole. So, let's just try to do 2. 2, 2, 2, and 2. And I am definitely going to put sticks where each of these are, just because I like to try not to pull my seedlings. And no, am I measuring how deep I'm putting these? No, I'm not. So that's where my green beans are going to be. Let's see, we're going to do celery there. Those are going to go in tomorrow because they're all in the greenhouse right there. And then we're going to do radishes now. For my radishes, I just did 3 trenches. And with these guys, you're going to want to actually pick out and thin these guys when they're coming in, because if they're too close together, they won't get very big. Now, since I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go through and just lightly step on everything. Sorry, worm. Okay, and that's for all of them. Everything in this section, including the beans. Just want to give everything a nice little hug with dirt. Because like I said earlier, plants don't like to root into air. They like to root into dirt, soil. So you just want to give it a nice little patting down. You can do that with your hands. I am just doing it with my feet. Okay. All right. Okay, here are the carrots we're going to plant. Now, my mom got really excited. And that's because we all know that there are different kinds of carrots, right? They come in all different kinds of colors. So, I have kids. So gardening is cool. And we're going to show them how to garden carrots and how food comes in every different color, which is super cool. Now, we're going to put these in each rows. But carrots are kind of fickle. So we're going to put the seeds in and then put the cardboard on top of them because they like to stay really moist as they germinate. So once they're done germinating, then we can start to take the cardboard off. Yep, so we'll just do that and put 2 rocks on it, just like that. And then we'll wet it down, just like that. And then we're gonna leave it. Now we have 2 different types of lettuce, and they are going in this little spot right here. So these ones require a lot of space in between them, 6 inches to a foot in between them. So for these guys, I'm going to be doing a lot of thinning. So we're doing every other row: black seeds, white seeds, black seeds, white seeds, black seeds. So we'll see how those come up. Okay, everything is seeded except for the bell peppers, which are going here. The beets, which are going here. They're in the greenhouse. And the, what is that called? Celery. I have 3 kitchen scraps in the house, and then the rest are in the greenhouse. And those are going in here. So the ones in the house need to come out, and I need to water these guys, and then they will go in. And here are the bell peppers and beets and celery that will be going in to the ground tomorrow. Super cute. All right, and then I gotta go bring out the celery inside the house.